Level 10, Proficiency. The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, 3 little pigs set out to seek their fortunes and build homes of their own. The first pig, careless and lazy, quickly built a fragile house of straw, eager to finish so he could spend the rest of his time at play. The second pig, somewhat wiser but still hasty, built a house of sticks. It stood a little firmer, yet it lacked true strength. The third pig, thoughtful and diligent, labored patiently day after day, laying brick upon brick until he had built a solid, sturdy house. Not long after, a hungry wolf appeared. He came first to the straw house and demanded entrance. When denied, he huffed and puffed until the flimsy walls fell. The terrified pig ran to his brother's stick house. But the wolf followed and blew that house down too. The 2 pigs fled together to the brick house. The wolf huffed and puffed with all his might, but the house of bricks stood firm. Defeated, the wolf slunk away, his hunger unsatisfied. The 3 pigs rejoiced in their safety, having learned that patience, diligence, and hard work provide the strongest protection against life's dangers.